So here's a question. It's one of the tricky ones that you can face in, say, the WIC exam, for instance, and one's required to determine the value of angle Q. And we're told that angle AB is parallel to, side AB, or line AB is parallel to line ED. So AB, so this is point B here. So what can one do? Well, if I extend this line all the way here, what I have is that this angle here corresponds to this angle here. So this is an angle of 53 degrees. So think about it. When you have two parallel lines, you draw a line cutting through them. If you have an angle here, it's going to be equal to the angle here. And that's what we have here. Maybe I should show it in red. You have the line cutting through two parallel lines. Wow. It's exactly what we have. So this angle is equal to this angle, and that's what I just showed you here. So that's how the angle is 53 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and use what I just did to find out as many angles as possible so that I can easily find Q. So given that this is 70 degrees and these two angles are angles on a straight line, so angles on a straight line, this angle and this angle, they must add up to 180 degrees, and that's what we have here. So this angle must be 110 degrees. That's just one thing. This angle is 53 degrees. Vertically opposite angles means this angle is 53 degrees. So I'm just going to I'm going to label this point F, I'm going to label this point G. So what you notice is that we have a four-sided shape. We have a four-sided polygon, a quadrilateral, FBCG. And that's what is in this region. So I'm just going to show that down here, FBCG. So I have FBCG. So 53 degrees, 110, 110, and we have Q here. So what do you know about four-sided shapes? Well, a four-sided polygon, the sum of the interior angles, n minus 2 times 180, is something. Well, for a polygon, n-sided polygon, n minus 2 times 180 is the sum of the interior angles. So for a four-sided shape, the sum of the interior angles, which I've written as SI, is 4 minus 2 times 180, which is 2 times 180, which is 360 degrees. So what I now know is that 53 degrees, the sum of the interior angles, 53 degrees plus 110 plus Q plus 110 degrees, must be equal to 360 degrees. So this left-hand side can be written as Q plus this plus this plus that, which is 273 degrees, is equal to 360 degrees. So Q is 360 minus 273, which is 87 degrees. So there you go.